What's up, guys? We are here in JPM doing Lorenzo's sick Glen Hall black autograph. I don't know. I must have missed this one. This is a sick card for sure. So, just to go over it, we are gonna go three times usually. Yep, three times with the winner on top. So we will get our first timestamp. 4:59. It is 4:59 here in Denver. I'll go and grab the list. We got David on top and Mr. David on the bottom. Get a fresh list. David on top, David on the bottom, no spaces in between. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2. Andy on top after 2. That timestamp is in at 5. It is 5. Third and final time. Good luck, everybody. Mikal, spot number 3. Congratulations, sir. That is a sweet card. That final timestamp is in at 5 p.m. It is 5 p.m. Again, 3 times. Mikal, congratulations.